I think you know the difference. I'll not waste time now. Solve this question. Everyone, quickly. We have 7 minutes to solve 4 questions, one after the other. Quickly. Find the difference between the place values of 4 and 6 in this number. Find the difference between the place values of 4 and 6 in the given number. Parbasha says 4 lakhs 600. So no, you have to tell me the difference. You have to calculate the value, Parbasha.
Sir, the difference is 3,99,400.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mention that number in the chat. Very good, very good, very good, very good. So
3,99,400.
3 lakh
99,000.
99,000
400.
400. Very good, very good. Let's take a quick look. People who could not solve that, let's quickly look at this. He's asking you find the difference between the place values of 4 and 6. What is the place value of 4? 4 is in which place? Unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 4 lakhs. Therefore, you have 4. The place value of 4 is 4 lakhs. And what is the place value of 6? 6 is in the hundreds place. The place value is 600. So you want the difference, you will subtract. If you subtract, you get 3,99,400. Brilliant. So whoever got 3,99,400, that means you are doing good. Okay? Very good. Go to the next question.
Sir, I also got this answer.
I know Devansh, I've seen your answer already. Very good job. Even Divya got it. Very good. Siddharth, good. Solve the next question. Solve the next question. This is a very good question. Whoever gets right, I'll give a big round of applause.
Sir, 99,987.
Very good. What did you say? Repeat that once again, Siddharth.
Sir, 99,987.
99,987. Okay. Any other answer?
Sir, 88,888.
Very good. Once again, wait. Divya Punya gives 99988 as the answer. 99988. Okay. Okay.
Sir, you have said 3 different digits.
No, I'm not saying. I'm looking at answers from various people in the class. Okay. Devansh is giving very different answer. Devansh says 77777. Okay. So we'll come there. Everyone. Good job. So I think the perfect answer is 99987 is the perfect answer. Parbasha says 5 times 9. Okay, let's solve this question. Everyone, look here, look here, look here. I think 2 people got it right. Divya got it right. And even who else got this right?
Sir, Siddharth Semwal.
Siddharth Semwal, correct. So both of you got it right. Very good.
Sir,
So
Semwal.
What, Siddharth?
Sir, my surname is Semwal.
Oh, it's Semwal. Okay, sorry. You know, that's a very new surname for me, so I don't know how to pronounce it. Now I got it, Semwal. Okay. So, Siddharth, would you like to explain to the class?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Because the 9 is the greatest number in these 3 numbers, sir. Then the 9 will come thrice because 9 is the biggest number. Sir, then the biggest number after 9 is 8. Sir, then 8 will come once because 7 will also come. Then 7 is the greatest number after 8.
Okay, good. So let me explain so that everyone understands. Very good explanation, I understand, but let me explain a little better. So all of you also write the greatest 5-digit number. We need to write a greatest 5-digit number. So we need a 5-digit number. He's saying of 3 different digits, but we have to write it using 3 different digits. We have 5 positions. We have 5 positions. So that means we need 5 digits, but he's saying we should use only 3 different digits. So, and he wants to be greatest. So out of the known digits that we know, what are the digits that are greatest? We'll start with, we know 9 is the digit, 8 is another digit, 7 is another digit. So we'll go from the highest. So out of 9, 8 and 7, so he's saying repetition of digits is allowed. When the repetition of digits is allowed, what does that mean? I can take any digit of my choice. So that means now if I want a greatest number, will I take more 9s or more 8s or more 7s? Which one will I take?
9, 9, 8, 8,
Sir,
7.
more 9.
Very good.
One more 8.
No, why will I take more 8? I will take more 9. Because I want
9, 9,
We will take more 9s.
very
9,
good.
8,
Very
8,
good.
7.
So, so that means I will take, instead of 1 9, I will take 2 more 9s. So I take 9, another 9 also.
9, 9, 8, 8, 7.
Very good. So it will be 9, 9, 9, 8, 7. That's how you can Fazil, mute yourself, Fazil. Your mic has a problem. It's giving a lot of vibrations to the class. Okay? Yeah. So 99987. Did everyone get the logic how to solve this? If yes, mention yes in the chat box. Divya, did you get it? Oh no, Divya already got it right. Who made a mistake? Parbasha, did you get it? Parbasha, yeah, yes. Do you know where you went wrong? You took 3 9s and 2 8s. So you know, Parbasha took this as an answer. She said 999 88. So where is the mistake? So in this, Parbasha, you took only 2 different digits, but he asked you to take 3 different digits. That's very important. 3 different digits. If the question were to be 2 different digits, your answer is right. Yeah, make sense? Make sense? Wonderful, wonderful. Okay. Solve this question. This is an easy question. And now this answer, you are not going to shout. You are going to write it in the chat box. Insert commas between the numbers according to both the Indian and the international system. First write your Indian answer and then you answer the international answer. There's one more question. Fazil, I'll guide you. Just, there is what is called a sign of a man. I mean, like, a person's sign on your phone on the left side corner. If you click that, you get an option to. You found it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So type that. Okay, Parbasha 885000784. That is Indian system. Very good. Very good. First answer in the Indian system and then you write your international system answer. Parbasha already has written it right. Devansh has already written both the answers. Indian as well as international. Very good, Devansh. Very good. Okay, Siddharth, Indian system, wonderful, 8 crore 85 lakhs 784. Very good. Divya, yes, she wrote both Indian as well as international at the same time. Good job.